Have you ever wondered how to fairly evaluate student work when artificial intelligence tools are readily available to them? Crafting effective assessment rubrics in today's educational landscape is more important than ever. Designing rubrics for artificial intelligence-aware assessment involves clearly defining expectations for both human-generated and AI-assisted work, focusing on critical thinking, creativity, and the ethical use of digital tools. The goal is to move beyond simply detecting AI use and instead guide students on how to leverage these tools responsibly as part of their learning process. The core reason for this shift is that traditional rubrics often assume students are working without advanced computational assistance. With artificial intelligence, the emphasis shifts from product to process and from rote recall to higher-order thinking skills. This approach helps ensure academic integrity by transparently integrating artificial intelligence rather than banning it outright, which can be less effective and difficult to enforce. To begin, start by revising your learning objectives. Determine what knowledge or skill you truly want to assess. Next, consider adding specific criteria to your rubric that address artificial intelligence use. For example, include a criterion for demonstrating independent thought or original analysis, even if artificial intelligence was used for brainstorming. Another criterion could assess the student's ability to critically evaluate and refine artificial intelligence-generated content, showing clear evidence of human oversight. You might also add a section for citing artificial intelligence tools appropriately, similar to citing other research sources. A valuable insider tip is to develop a criterion known as metacognitive reflection. This requires students to describe how they used artificial intelligence tools in their work, what their prompts were, and how they evaluated the tool's output. This transparency gives you insight into their learning process and their understanding of the artificial intelligence's capabilities and limitations. It shifts the focus from avoiding artificial intelligence to becoming proficient in using it as a learning aid. By intentionally designing rubrics that account for artificial intelligence, you empower students to become discerning users of these powerful technologies. This not only upholds academic integrity, but also prepares them for a future where artificial intelligence proficiency will be a vital skill, fostering deeper learning and critical engagement with information.